I am Chandrakant K. Bhange, Assistant Professor of ENTC Department in AISSMS IOIT Engineering College. GSM services, logical and physical layer, how the waves turn into the reliable bits and bits into the logical channels. Logical channels so define at the layer 1 and provides for layer 2 accept the frequency correction channel and the synchronization channel mapped on the physical channels. More than one logical channels can be mapped on one physical channel mapped in time and coding. Channels can be set up down or duplex. Layer 2 of the signaling layer, that is the LAPDM, can add acknowledgement and retransmission. Logical channels, the traffic channels, full rate use for the 13 kbps voice or up to 14.4 kbps data. Half data of for 6.5 kbps voice or the low rate data. Signaling channels are the broadcast channels, BCH. Broadcast channels are the frequency correlation channels. Also, the signaling channels are the common control channels and dedicated control channel, DCH. Uh, Frequency correlation channel in broadcast channels only visible at the physical layer helps the mobile tune into the right frequency. Synchronization channel, SCH, helps the mobile stay synchronized with the base stations, also carries the base station identity code, that is a color or codes. Broadcast channels, informations about the cell, neighboring cells, location area, identifiers, structures of the common control channels. Common control channels are the random access channel, RACH, for the mobile to request the access grant channel, AGCH, for BSC to grant the access, paging channel, PCH, for the BSC to page the mobile, notification channel for the BSC to notify a group of mobiles of the voice broadcast services. Dedicated control channels. Dedicated control channel means the standalone dedicated control channel, SDCCH, duplex point to point signaling channel, associated control channel, always associated together with the traffic channels or the signaling channel, will control the performance of the channel. Slow SACH, fast FACCH, only with the TCH used for handover. Cell broadcast channel used to send out the SMS broadcast messages. For examples, the KTH oblique Monaco that shows up in the screen when you connect to the Monaco network. Mapping of logical channels need a full physical channel, TCH oblique F plus FSCH plus SACCH need to full physical channel, half of physical channel, 8 channels in physical one physical channel is the broadcast channel. A cell always need a broadcast channels. uh, Radio bits channels are the modulations. How do we modulate the carrier? Multiple access and duplex access time, frequency division, and random access, frequency oblique time synchronization. Logical channels, mapping of physical channels. GSM modulations, GSM uses the GMSK services. That is called as the symbol modulations. Gaussian minimum shift keying is used for the GSM users in GMSK. Each bit is coded as one symbol, so we have two symbols to code. Each symbol is coded as a plus or minus oblique 2, shift in phase, example not an absolute phase but a increase or a decrease in the phase. A shift in a phase is gradual and spreads over more than one symbol duration. There is a symbolic coding for phase shift and resulting phase. There is a differential encoding, carrier modulations. Each carrier is 200 kilohertz wide. The symbol rate 271 kilobit per baud. GSM K can also be seen as the frequency shift keying modulations using the two frequencies plus or minus 68 kilohertz from the central frequency. Duplexing and multiplexing axis. One duplexing channel consists of one uplink and one downlink carrier. Distance between the uplink downlink carrier is always 45 megahertz in the 900 baud. Each carrier is divided into the radio frames and each frame is divided into the 8 time slot. A physical channel is a specified time slot in consecutive frames. The uplink carrier is delayed 3 time slots. No need for a duplex transceiver. Duplex and multiple access channels are there. Since the mobile take turn sending will send in burst, each burst will fit into the time slot. There are 5 types of the burst are there. Burst means since the mobile take turn sending, the will send the burst. Each burst will fit into the time slot. There are the 5 types of the burst. Uh, Frequency correlation burst, normal burst, frequency correlation burst, synchronization burst, dummy burst, and access burst. Frequency correlation burst, the sequence of the zeros will after differential encoding the phase modulation result in a constant negative phase shift. The constant phase shift will also be visible as the frequency shift to a perfect sine wave 68 kilohertz above the carrier frequency. A mobile can detect this sine wave and tune in to the frequency of the base stations. Synchronization bursts are there. Thank you.